Dolphins. Hi, friends! Today, we are going to learn all about dolphins. You can read along with us by downloading the lesson plan from our website, learnbright.org. What are dolphins? While dolphins might look like giant fish, they are mammals just like us. They breathe air, give live birth to their young, nurse their babies with milk, have hair at some point, and are warm-blooded. More than 35 types or species of dolphins are divided into two groups. Actual dolphins live all over the world in salt or fresh water. River dolphins only live in South America and Asia and prefer fresh water. Dolphins belong to a large group of animals called whales. While they are not as big as whales, dolphins range from 7 to 10 feet long, and some can reach up to 13 feet long. They have smooth, rubbery skin, like a bar of slippery soap. They can be white, black, or gray. On their sides, they have two flippers, and on their back, they have a triangular-shaped fin. Dolphins look like porpoises. In fact, they look so much alike that people often confuse the two. But dolphins have a more prominent and longer snout. Because dolphins are mammals, they must reach the water's surface for air. So when a baby dolphin, called a calf, is born, the mother gently nudges it to the surface to take its first breath of air. After that, dolphins breathe through a single nostril, called a blowhole, which can be found on top of its head. Dolphins are very intelligent, social, and playful, much like you. They live together in groups called a pod. Dolphins are very social. They interact with one another, swim together, protect each other, and hunt for food together as a team. Living in a pod is very important because it helps protect them from predators like sharks. There are usually 10 to 15 dolphins in a pod. However, depending on the species, most pods have between 2 and 30 dolphins. Sometimes, pods join together to create superpods of 100 or even several thousand dolphins. Dolphins make superpods during mating season or when prey is abundant. When the activity is over, the superpods break down into smaller pods. What do dolphins eat? For the most part, dolphins eat fish, krill, plankton, and cephalopods, which are squid. However, depending on the species, they may eat more of one type of food than another. And this is why their teeth are different shapes. For example, bottlenose dolphins generally eat many fish, squid, and krill, so their teeth are conical and blunt. But other species have sharper teeth to help them eat larger prey, like seals. But dolphins don't use their teeth just to catch and eat food. They also use their teeth to establish dominance, or power or influence over others. For example, they use their teeth to make parallel scratches, called rake marks, on each other's skin. Each pod of dolphins has a unique hierarchy, which is a system of organization based on status. The lowest ranked are usually the youngest, and the ranking moves up to the most dominant. Other interesting facts. You can tell how old a dolphin is by counting the growth rings on each tooth. Each ring represents 1 year of its life. Unlike humans, dolphins are born with permanent teeth, and their teeth are not used for chewing like most animals. Instead, their teeth act as defensive weapons and help them grip food. As a result, the dolphin actually swallows their food whole, head first. Imagine if you did that at the dinner table. A dolphin is like a bat, because they both use echolocation, or sound waves, to navigate and hunt. The dolphin's teeth are arranged in a pattern that serves as an antenna. They use their teeth to receive incoming echolocation clicks, which makes finding an object's exact location or communication easier. Since they have more than 44 teeth in each quadrant of their mouth, upper, lower, left, and right, they are called polydonts, which means many teeth. And most dolphin species are also called homodonts because they have only one type of tooth. Unlike humans, who have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Did you know that even though dolphins live in the water, they do not drink water? They get all the water they need from the fish they eat. Just like you have a name that your parents and friends call you, each dolphin has a unique whistle they are given right after their birth. And they learn their whistle from their mother. So every dolphin has a different whistle. And scientists have found that dolphins call each other by their names. This makes dolphins highly unique in the animal world. Why are dolphins important to the environment? Without dolphins, the animals they eat would increase in number, and their predators wouldn't have much to eat, so their whole food web would be out of balance. But sadly, dolphins face many threats to their survival, primarily because of humans. Fishing techniques have allowed people to catch more fish, removing the dolphin's food supply. And during large-scale fishing, dolphins will accidentally get caught in nets and sometimes die. People also hunt and kill dolphins so that the dolphins don't consume the fish or ruin their nets. Pollution is another big problem for dolphins. Lots of waste enters the sea and creates a physical hazard for dolphins. Sometimes they eat a plastic bag because they think it looks like food. And because of the heavy metal pollutants in the ocean, dolphins are now getting cancerous tumors. It is up to us to help dolphins survive by keeping the ocean clean and helping increase their food supply. Obviously, the world is a better place because dolphins are in it.